class, I'll be introducing the very important thing for data science, which is statistics. Okay, so don't think that statistics is maths, right? So statistics is not maths. It may have numeric calculations, but it is not entirely maths. Okay, so when I talk to people say statistics, the first question that they'll ask is it complicated as maths? Okay, I definitely say no. So statistic is not maths. Okay, so let me ask you one simple question. So what is statistics according to you? Okay, I don't want to tell you. I don't want you to say 3 or 4 points. Just when what you think about statistics.
Playing with numbers.
Playing with numbers, very good. uh, okay.
Collection of data, or
Exactly. So
grouping
it's a
or
so
collection
first
of
thing first exactly. So statistics, the first and foremost point is collection of data. Okay. So Kalyani wants to play with numbers. Huh? So collection of data. Okay. Then
group.
okay, it's a good one. So collect them, group the data exactly. So so I can also say that it is design of experiments. So why I'm saying this design of experiments in the sense, so suppose whenever I want to do some research or anything, so usually we need to think statistical point of view. Okay, so statistical point of view in the sense, for example, I use a simple toothpaste at home. Okay, so in that simple toothpaste, I'll be saying percentage of fluoride. Okay, so percentage of calcium. Okay, all these things. So all this is nothing but statistics only. Okay, so we need to design the experiments in order to find these percentages. Understood the point? So for that, definitely I require the collection of the data. So I need to collect the data, right? So collect the data across all the pastes. Okay. So what all they are used. So that is what I am saying. Design of experiment. Okay. So next is summarizing the information. So what do you mean by summarizing the information? Summarizing the information means, so usually whenever you design an experiment, okay, so whenever you design an experiment, so what is the main aim behind collection of data and design of experiments? Basically to draw some inference, right? So to draw some inference, or you have some observations. So from that observations, you have some data out. Okay, so that is what is summarizing the information. So you take average. Okay, so you take sum. Okay, so you try to count. Okay, you try to find a minimum. You're trying to find maximum. All these kind of things are nothing but the summarizing. Okay, so this is what we have for the summarization facts. Okay, so we'll try to find the average of waste. Okay, all these things. Okay, and next thing, as I've said, you is drawing conclusions. Drawing conclusion. So I'm just talking from the data science perspective. Okay, so I'm not talking about the statistical perspective of RK Sharma or anything. I'm talking about how I understood and how I'll try to make you understand about statistics. So we don't have to go to the core of statistics. Okay, drawing conclusions from the data. Okay, so and very important thing is estimation. So estimating the present and the future. Okay, estimating the present and the future. So usually, so we um, uh, stock markets. So wherever I find some data. So okay, suppose for example, stock markets. Okay, you have supermarkets. Okay, all there you have data. So in stock market, what I have to do? Okay, so today the trend is this. Okay, tomorrow what may be the trend? Okay, so tomorrow what shares may increase, what shares may decrease. Okay, so that kind of information, that kind of estimations you need to do. Okay, so to yesterday it was like this, and what will be the trend for today? So supermarkets means how the sale is going on. So what are the so people are getting attracted to what? So what for all this I need to design some experiments, and on that I will take some conclusions. Okay, so in our experiments also, in our machine learning or data science activities also, we will be having some data, and first we need to build a line. Okay, so on that particular line we need to perform the experiments, and at the end of the day we need to say that okay, this is the fact. Okay, so that is basically called as hypothesis. Okay, so we have to make some hypothesis about some data. Okay, what is hypothesis and all, we'll come to know. And so as I've told you, applications of statistics, so where it is applied, so where it is applied basically, it is applied across so many domains. Okay, so across so many domains such as weather forecasting. Okay, so weather forecasting, you say fraud detection. Okay, so fraud detection. Okay, you say uh, um, uh, insurance domain. Okay, insurance, so many like this. If I try to put okay, main important thing that in India is political campaigns. Okay, so many areas it will be applied. Okay, so what is the basic basic uh, outcomes? So what are the basic outcomes of statistics? Means what we are going to do. So we are going to observe the safety and effectiveness of a particular product. Okay, so safety and effectiveness of a product. Okay, so and then we also talk about quality and consistency of the product. So this is where it is basically